When you replace negative thoughts with desired thoughts, you are reacting to circumstances. Okay? This holds you back from living your truly best abundant life. So here's how to start manifesting and stepping into your truly abundant true nature with ease. So whenever you experience what you might call as negative emotions or negative thoughts, do not replace one feeling with another or one thought with another. Instead, become the witness or the observer and just observe or notice. Well, what is the witness? It's awareness. It's who you truly are. Awareness or the witness or the observer never judges or criticizes. Not feelings, not thoughts, not anything else. It has no opinion, rather. It sees everything from a more blissful, it's all good, like neutral perspective. And this is who you really are. But what about the chattering voice, the one stealing your attention, that never seems to shut up, that analyzes, wants to fix, and judge just about everything? Not you. That is not you. It's the false separate self, which some people call the ego, nothing but a state of lack. It is the one generating these negative thoughts, emotions, and feelings of lack. And replacing that feeling with another, such as feeling you already have what you desire, is not the same as being the witness of the emotions. So replacing thoughts with thoughts is reacting to a circumstance. And your true nature, the real you, never reacts. But the ego self, the separate self, which is the state of lack, does react. A circumstance is anything with a beginning and an end. This means emotions and thoughts are circumstances, which is why replacing thoughts is a reaction. It is coming from a state of lack. So what do you do instead? You ask a few questions, guided pause questions, and lean and feel experientially into the direction these guided pauses are taking you. So am I aware? Ask yourself. You'll say, yes, I am. Am I aware of your thoughts, of my thoughts? Once again, yes, I am. Who is the one that is aware? Well, you'll say, I am. This I am is nothing but I aware. I am awareness. So what are the qualities of this one? Does this one have a defined form? Does this I have a defined form? Is it open or closed, judgmental or non-judgmental? As you recognize who you really are, those negative emotions begin to fade naturally. You won't have to fight your thoughts or that chattering voice in your head telling you to concentrate, focus, work harder, be more disciplined. Try a different thought, a different technique. Or that has a simpler robotic affirmation technique. Do that. No, you don't have to do any of that. Instead, when you stop trying to replace one thought with another, the struggle evaporates. And by asking a few simple guided pause questions, you've created the space for your desires to show up in your physical world. And they will. Now, from this space, you can bring to mind your desired affirmation once to mind, or a visual scene of your desired outcome. You can hold it just for a few seconds if you wish. Notice how there's no resistance to your affirmation or desired visual, since your desire is a part of your reality already because you're aware of it. Notice how the affirmation now is seen as a simple and single declaration of what is already true. And then you can go about your day. I'm UNLABEL, Dr. Anila Reddy, by the way. And if you want to explore this more with me in a one-on-one coaching session, email me at hello@anilareddy.com. See you soon.